Everyday English Fluency. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of the present simple tense, a powerful tool to express everyday ideas and actions in English. Whether you're a beginner or looking to reinforce your language skills, mastering the present simple will boost your confidence in conversations. Let's get started on this easy grammar journey together. First things first, let's understand what the present simple tense is all about. In English, we use the present simple to talk about routine actions, general truths, habits, and things that are always true. Start with the subject. Use pronouns like I, you, we. They for plural subjects and he, she, it for singular subjects. For subjects I, you, we, they, simply use the base form of the verb, for example, play, study, watch. For he, she, and it, add s or es to the base verb. For these singular subjects, add s to the base verb if it ends in a consonant, for example, plays, eats, runs. ANDADD if it ends in s, x, z, ch. Or, for example, catches, fixes, buzzes. I play tennis. You study English. We watch movies. They go to the park. He plays the guitar. She eats fruits. It runs fast. Talking about habits and routines. One of the most common uses of the present simple is to talk about habits and routines. For instance, I wake up at 7 a.m. I read a book every night. I go to the gym on weekends. It's a great way to share your daily activities, stating general truths. Another cool feature of the present simple is expressing general truths that never change. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. These are facts that remain constant. Talking about schedules and timetables. Lastly, the present simple helps us talk about schedules and fixed events. For example, the train departs at 9 a.m. The movie starts at 7 p.m. The school opens on weekdays. It's perfect for planning and organizing. Well done! You've mastered the present simple tense, an essential grammar structure for everyday conversations. Practice using it in your speech, and you'll see how it brings clarity and confidence to your language skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more grammar tips and engaging content. Happy learning and see you in the next video.